Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Q&I summer course. I am Sunit Kumar, your mathematics teacher, and today, students, we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. Students, today we are going to start this new chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. And so you must have done the basics of linear equations in class 7th as well. We'll quickly, go through all the basics and then we'll start this chapter. Okay. Okay, students, let's start the session. So students, could you practice the homework which I had given you last class? Okay. So prerequisites for today's class, students, is basic operations in mathematics. So you will be uh, you know for today's class you have to so if you have to
So we did the
understand
homework.
okay. uh, Chatra, I had given you the homework on platform, the topic which I had mentioned on the platform which you had to do. So
Sir, so according to the platform, I tried to call customer care, sir, but like it's telling the number does not exist.
No, I'll tell you the number after the class today as well. So call on that number. The number, they will respond it. Otherwise, I'll specifically tell them to give you a call. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So to understand today's lecture, you should know basic operations in mathematics, constants and variables. What are constants and what are variables, which you have already done in class 7. And you should understand a linear equation, which we have done in class 7th. What is linear equation? And in today's class, students, we'll go further and discuss about the linear equations. And we'll learn how to solve a linear equation, to find a solution of linear equation. And we'll go through the rules for solving a linear equations. Okay. So let us start the class, students. So first of all, what is an equation? Let us understand what is an equation. So a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity or variable is known as an equation. So an algebraic expression basically with equal to sign, and where the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, that is called an equation. So statement of equality, and the statement has to be an algebraic expression. So the statement has to be an algebraic expression. So which contains one or more unknown quantity. So it should have variable, one or more variable can exist. If we talk about one variable, then this will be linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now an equation involving only linear polynomials is called linear equation. So if the degree of the polynomial is 1, we say that this is a linear equation. And equation with linear expression in one variable only are known as linear equation in one variable. So first of all, an equation. Then if the equation has only linear term, linear polynomials, means the power of the variable is 1, then we say that this is a linear equation. And if there is only one variable there, then we say that this is linear equation in one variable. Is this clear? All the 3 points. What is an equation? What is a linear equation? And what is linear equation in one variable?
Yes, sir. We give examples.
Yeah, I'll give an example. So let's say we have x square plus y square is equal to 5. Now this is a algebraic expression and there is an equality sign. So there is a left hand side, you have variables and then you have a constant, equated it to constant. Now, if we give, so this is a general equation. It can be of the form 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, this also, right? So there can be various forms. So these are all equations basically. When I talk about linear equation, means you have 4x plus 3y is equal to 8, or you can have x plus 5 is equal to 7. So these are all linear equations. Now, when we have, so in this linear equation, you can say that there are two variables, x and y. In this previous one, you can see there are two variables and the powers are more than one. So if there is, the degree, the power of the variable is 1, then it becomes linear equation. Here in equation, it can be, the power of the variable can be 1 also or 2 also. If we specifically say the power of the variable is 1, that means this is linear equation. And when there is only one variable, for example, if I have 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, now there we have only one variable x here. So this is linear equation in one variable. Here in this case, 4x plus 3y, there are two variables, x and y. So this is not linear equation in one variable, but it is linear equation in two variable. Is it clear now?
Sir.
Okay. So a value of variable which when substituted for the variable in an equation makes the LHS equal to RHS is said to satisfy the equation and is called the solution or root of the equation. For example, let's say we have an equation x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, if I put the value of x is equal to 2, then you will have 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So LHS and RHS here are equal, isn't it? So x is equal to 2 will be the solution or root of this equation. X plus 5 is equal to 7. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Now let us move ahead, students. Now value of a variable. So the value of the variable which makes an equation a true statement is called the solution or root of the equation. So means LHS is equal to RHS. That means this expression which has been written, the equation which has been written is true, right? So that value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement is called solution or root, right? So you can have any of these definitions for solution. That value of the variable which makes the LHS equal to RHS in an equation is called the solution or root of the equation. Similarly, that value of the variable which makes this algebraic expression or equation to be true is called solution or root of the equation. Are both the definitions clear, students?
Sir, can you repeat the last?
Yes,
Can you come again? I lost you in between.
So the last point. So for some reason it said looks like something went wrong. We're trying to get you back into the meeting. The screen just went blank. So like now I'm back.
So you are not able to see the screen properly, is it?
No, now I am, but before the screen just went like hold on, looks like something wrong. We're trying to get you back into the meeting.
Okay. No, but is this problem for others also? Are you able to see the screen properly? Is it in
Yes, sir.
Spotlight?
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
What is the problem, Dayal?
So now it's okay, sir. I can see it
No,
now.
sir.
That's
Blur
fine.
आ रहा है, sir.
I'm just asking you to like repeat like the last point.
Yeah, I'll repeat the last point. So the last point says that a value of variable which makes the equation a true statement is called solution or root of the equation. For example, we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is an equation, right? So the value of the variable which makes it true. So if I put x is equal to 1 here, so this will become 2 times 1 plus of 3 is equal to 5. So this is a true statement because 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 1 makes this statement true, and that's why this is called solution or root of the equation.
Yes,
Clear?
thank you.
Okay. Now solving an equation, what does this mean? So solving an equation means determining its roots, that is determining the value of the variable which satisfies the equation, right? For example, let's say we have 3y plus 4 is equal to 10. Now we have to determine the value of y which satisfies this equation. So when we solve this, we'll see how to solve it. But if we put the value of y as 2, we will have 3 into 2 plus 4 is equal to 10. So the method by which we find the value of y which satisfies the equation is called solving the equation. So solving an equation means determining its root or determining the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation. So rules for solving a linear equation in one variable. First rule says that if same quantity is added to both sides of an equation, the equation remains unchanged. So same quantity can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality, right? For example, if we have for 2y minus 4 is equal to 8, right? Or we have, let's say, y minus 4 is equal to 8. If we add 4 on both the sides, so we'll have y minus 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4. So this gets cancelled. So this will give you y is equal to 12. So this is one way of solving the equation, students, right? You can add same value, same number on both the sides without changing the equality, and you can solve the equation using this method. Similarly, rule 2 says that same quantity can be subtracted from both sides of an equation. For example, if we have y plus 8 is equal to 7, you can subtract 8 from both the sides. So you will get, this gets cancelled, y is equal to minus 1. So you can subtract same quantity from both sides without changing the equality. Rule 3 says that both sides of an equation may be multiplied by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. That means if we have y by 7 plus of 1 is equal to 8. So subtracting 1 from both the side will give you y by 7 plus 1 minus 1 is 8 minus 1. Or this gets cancelled, y by 7 is 7. Now you multiply 7 on both the sides. So this gets cancelled and you get y is equal to 49, right? So you can multiply same quantity. So if you multiply, both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number, the equality does not change. Rule 4 says that both sides of an equation may be divided by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. Okay, so I'll rub it here and then explain this. So let's say we have 3y plus 7 is equal to 12. If I subtract 7 from both the sides, I'll have 12 minus 7 on this side. So this is 3y is equal to 5. And then I can divide both sides by 3. This gets cancelled. I get y is equal to 5 by 3. Right? So using these rules, we can solve the linear equation in one variable. This is one method of solving the equation. We will learn how to do it by transposition as well. But yeah, this is one way in which you can solve a linear equation by adding same number on both the sides, subtracting same number from both the sides, same quantity. Similarly, multiplying same quantity on both the sides and dividing same quantity on both the sides. Is this clear to students? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please quickly note this down.
I don't understand.
Please note this down, students. Shall we go ahead? Has everyone noted this down? Okay, Chatra, which part
Yes,
did you
sir.
not understand? Tell me. I'll explain it to you.
So I just don't understand like both the side thing.
Okay, I'll explain it again. I'll explain the whole all these rules once again. So first rule is same quantity can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. So if we have uh, an equation y minus 7 is equal to 5. Now to solve this equation, what we can do is we can add same quantity to both sides. Now solving an equation means finding the value of the variable. Means you will have to isolate y on one side. Now here with y you can see minus 7 also. So what we'll do, we will add 7 to both the sides so that this minus 7 gets cancelled here. To cancel this minus 7, you will add 7 on both the sides. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now these will get cancelled, minus 7 and plus 7. I'll get y is equal to 5 plus 7, which is 12. Now this is what the solution means, right? The value of the variable which satisfies this equation. So by adding same quantity on both the sides, I have been able to solve this equation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is my rule 1. Shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Now second rule says that if you subtract same quantity from both the sides of an equation without changing, so the equation does not change. So now let's say I come across an equation like this, y plus 4 is equal to 3. Now if I have to solve this, I have to isolate the value of y. So here I have plus 4 with y. So what I'll do, I'll subtract 4 from both the sides because subtracting a number from both the sides does not change the equality. So if I subtract 4 from both the sides, I will have y is equal to minus 1. Clear? So y minus 1 is a solution of this equation y plus 4 is equal to 3. So this is rule 2.
Yes.
By subtracting same quantity on both the sides of the equation, you can get the solution. Can you understand this now?
Yes,
Rule
sir.
2 also.
Yes.
No,
So,
sir.
Dayal, what did you not understand here? Tell me.
Sir,
Which school are you from, Dayal?
PVIS.
Okay, Platinum Valley. So what did you not understand? Tell me.
सर सर
आप हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हैं. हाँ.
सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई भी होगी इसमें?
नहीं, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो अभी वैसे हम लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं है. एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली हैपेंस व्हेन यू हैव समथिंग इन डिवीजन. मतलब ऐसे है y/3 = 7 है, तब इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके उधर ले जाएंगे एंड दिस विल बिकम y = 7 × 3, दैट इज 21. ओके.
ओके.
हाँ, दैट विल कम इन ट्रांसपोजिशन. अभी ये वाला जो मेथड मैंने बताया, ये समझ में आया आपको? सब्ट्रैक्ट करके दोनों साइड जो हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं.
यस सर.
Okay. Now rule 3, we'll come to cross multiplication after this. Okay. When we are doing transposition. We are doing right now the basic rule of solving a linear equation. Now third rule says that both sides of an equation may be multiplied by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. Now if I have something like this, y/3 = 7. So one way is what Dayal was saying, ki can't we cross multiply? Yes, we can do that, but that is transposition. What we are learning right now is, balancing the equation on both the sides. To balance the equation here, if I have to isolate y here, I will multiply both the sides by 3. So y/3 × 3 is going to give me 7 × 3, because I can multiply the same quantity on both the sides. Equation does not change. So this 3 and this 3 cancelled, y gets isolated and I get the value as y = 21. This is what rule 3 says. Now rule 4 is both sides of an equation may be divided by the same non-zero number. Means if I have 2y = 5, so if I have to solve this, I have to isolate y. That can be done by dividing both the sides by 2. In that case, I'll get y = 5/2. This is my solution. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes,
4
sir.
rules?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right now you have to focus on these rules. I'm talking about these rules which can help you solve a linear equation. There are other methods as well. We'll come to it one by one. Shall I move ahead if this is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now students, transposing. What does transposing means? So solving an equation by transposition. Solving an equation by transposition. Now, transposing means any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with a change in the sign. So addition when goes to other side of the equation becomes subtraction. Subtraction when it goes to other side, it will become addition. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. If something is divided when it goes on the other side, it will get multiplied. If something is multiplied when it goes to the other side, it goes and divide the other side. So let us do some examples so that you understand it. So for example, if I had y + 3 = 5, if I take 3 on the other side of the equation, because here the sign is plus, this is going to become minus when I take it on the other side. Plus will become minus. That is what change in sign means. So this will give you 5 - 3 = 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then let's say we have x - 2 = 8. Now if I have to if I have to solve it for x, I have to get rid of this 2. So I will take it on the other side. -2 will become +2. So this will become x = 8 + 2. That is x = 10. Clear? Is this clear?
Sir.
Sir,
Yeah, you want to ask something?
सर हम वेरिएबल वाले और कांस्टेंट वाले एक तरफ कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, वही कर रहे हैं हम लोग। 3 को उधर ले जा रहे हैं तो कांस्टेंट को एक तरफ कर रहे हैं और वेरिएबल को एक तरफ कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे भी -2 को उस तरफ लेकर जा रहे हैं, मतलब हम कांस्टेंट को एक तरफ कर रहे हैं और वेरिएबल को एक तरफ कर रहे हैं। वही कर रहे हैं उसको, ट्रांसपोजिशन में यही करते हैं हम लोग। ठीक है। नाउ थर्ड इज, लेट्स से वी हैव समथिंग x by 7 is equal to 2. When I take 7 to the other side, this will, because this is in division, that will go and multiply on the other side. So this will become 2 into 7, or x is equal to 14. Similarly, if we have 4x is equal to 12, x will be, because this is multiplied, this will come and get divided here. So this will become 12 by 4, which will give you the value of x as 3. Is this clear to everyone? All these things? Plus becomes minus, minus
Yes.
becomes plus, division becomes multiplication, multiplication becomes division. Clear, students? All the basic rules?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, quickly help me get the answer to this. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. You can attempt it on your own as well. I will tell it also. Now here, see, in this equation, variables are on both the sides. So first way method is, what we'll do, we'll try to bring all the variables on one side and all the constants on other side. So I have this constant -3, I will take it this side, and x I will try to bring it this side. Why? Because 2x is a bigger coefficient term, so I'll bring all the variables towards the bigger coefficient terms. So this will become plus x will become minus x, -3 will become plus 3. Right? 2x minus x is equal to 2 plus 3. 2x minus x, the coefficient 2 minus 1 is 1, so this will become x, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is x is equal to 5. X is 5, not 5 by 3, Ishan. X is 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Has everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
दयाल, आपको आ गया समझ?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to the next question, student. Now in this question, again, you have to bring the variable on one side, bring the constant on the other side, and then solve it. I'll give you 1 minute to solve this question. Solve the question and give me the answer. So you have to bring, see, 5x and 3 by 2x. 5 is greater than 3 by 2. So I'll bring 3 by 2x to the left, and 7 by 2 I'll take it to right. I'll transpose it this way. Venpa, what is the answer you have got? x is equal to 9 is not the correct answer. Just check your calculations. You must have done some silly mistake. So let me start doing it, students. You can keep on doing it. I'll also start doing it. So 5x, I'll bring 3 by 2 so towards left. So this will become minus 3 by 2x. This is plus 3 by 2 becomes minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 14, and plus 7 by 2 will become minus 7 by 2. Yes, Ishan, it is correct. So now because 5 and minus 3 by 2, these are unlike fractions basically. So I'll take a LCM here. 2 is the LCM. So 5 times 2 is 10x minus 3x is equal to, if I take LCM here, 2. So this is minus 28 minus 7. Right? Dayal, no, the answer is not correct. Just check it. 10x minus 3x by 2. So 10x minus 3x is 7x over 2. Minus 28 minus 7 is minus 35 over 2. Right? If I have to find the value of x, what I'll do, I'll take 2 here and 7 here. Right? Division will get multiplied on the other side and multiplication will get divided on the other side. So the value of x is minus 35 into 2 divided by 2 into 7. 2 gets cancelled and 7 times 5, negative sign. So the value of x is minus 5. So minus 5 is the correct answer. Is this clear to everyone?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Dayal, is it clear to you also?
Yes, sir.
Good. So so I hope everyone has written it down. Shall I move to the next question now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now solve the following equation and check your results. So 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Quickly tell me the answer. What is the answer here? This is simple.
Sir, maybe 18x?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir. 18.
18. Yeah, 18 is the answer. So when you bring 2x on this side, so you will have 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is x. So x is equal to 18 is the solution of this linear equation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let's go to the next now. Can you quickly tell me the answer for this?
So t is equal to minus 1.
Sir, 4 is
Swayank,
also.
yes, it was clear.
So t is equal to minus 1.
T is equal to minus 1 is the correct answer. So what we are going to do is we are going to bring 3t to the left and minus 3 to the right. So this will become 5t minus of 3t is minus 5 plus 3, because plus 3t will become minus 3t. Minus 3 will become plus 3. So 5t minus 3t is 2t. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Now 2, when you bring it on the other side, it will divide it because this is multiplied here. Minus 2 over 2, which is t is equal to minus 1. So answer is t is minus 1, which most of you have got it. Okay, students, thank you for joining in. Bye and take care.
Thank you so much.